Hello, my name is Mitesh Shah, and I'm the Senior Cloud Product Manager here at Denodo. As part of this video blog, today we're going to talk about data integration in the cloud. Right, the landscape of data has been changing. Right, we deal with data, tons of data, different formats of data across different applications, and one of the key challenges is how do you derive the insights with data in a faster and a cost-effective manner, right? And that is where data virtualization is a technique as part of your data integration project that can come to play. Gartner has projected that more than 60% of the users are looking at data virtualization as one of the key tooling technique and approaches to solving some of these integration challenges. So when we look at from a cloud perspective, your data gravity kind of keeps on changing, right? So you have data on-prem, you're moving your applications, your workloads to the cloud, and as part of that journey, it's really important to kind of minimize the disruption to your business users. And as part of that engagement, the data virtualization can really help you elevate that migration of your data into the cloud, right? The way it can help you do this is, how you can kind of look at different use cases in terms of data as a service. If you're modernizing your data warehouse, data virtualization can help you there. Logical data warehouse, when you're trying to combine your data without having to move them, without having to replicate that data, that's really important as the benefits you get as part of data virtualization. One of the other things you want to look at it is in terms of that you are, how you can use the multi-location architecture that Denodo provides as part of the data virtualization deployments, right? So if you're looking at, AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure, Denodo's virtualization platform can help you elevate those problems and leveraging the performance capabilities, the strength that it provides you in doing some of that. So let's talk about key use cases that we come across today with our clients, right? When you're looking at logical data warehouse, that's important because you're trying to get a single version truth of your data and in a more simplified, integrated manner. So that's one of the popular use cases that we see today. Cloud modernization along with data as a service. API is playing an important role. So how you can expose your data through those APIs, Denodo virtualization can really make your lives easier doing that, right? One of the other things we see is with the data scientists, they're trying to find the right data. So data catalog capabilities within Denodo can really help you run some of that, simplify that data discovery and working with that data, bringing the data to your scientist quickly and easier. Right. One of our clients, Get Smarter, they are, an educational institution. They have been using Denodo for quite a few years now. One of the key challenges they were facing was, they had data in a hybrid fashion, on-prem and cloud, where they were trying to integrate and do some advanced analytics on top of that. So that's where it's really, helped them accelerate their journey using Denodo across, in a hybrid fashion to achieve their goals. A couple of things to kind of take away, right? One is, in terms of deployment models, you can start leveraging Denodo, directly by deploying on the infrastructure, on the cloud infrastructure, right? So that's your BYOL model. The other platform that we offer is through the marketplace, right? That's a huge where it's a low risk, you can get started quickly and manage the cost as you grow across, using Denodo on the marketplace. There are certain tools that will benefit you today in terms of how we can get started, right? So we have built some test drives which are catered to certain use cases. So you can, like, if you're doing BI analytics, if you're doing data science, or if you're doing data as a service projects, this is where this can really help you, test drive this in less than 2 hours, free of cost. If you really are serious about kicking tires, we have a free 14-day free trial that you can leverage today, and you can play around with Denodo to get started there. So wish you all the best, and go try it out, and leave us feedback. Thank you.